Moonlight Tales. We can make a personalized story for your child. Find out more in the description below. And now, it's time for a story. Noah and the Windy Day, a story about solving conflicts peacefully. In the little town of Brookfield, where the trees always whispered and the wind smelled like fresh rain, lived a boy named Noah. He was kind, brave, and loved building kites. Every weekend, he and his best friend Ethan would run to the big hill behind the school and fill the sky with colors. One Saturday morning, the wind was perfect, strong and steady. Noah ran up the hill with his brand new kite, blue and silver, like a piece of the sky. Ethan was already there, holding a bright red one shaped like a dragon. "Race you to the top!" shouted Ethan. They laughed and ran together. Soon both kites were soaring high above the field. But then a gust of wind twisted Noah's string. His kite looped around Ethan's, and in a moment the two lines tangled. The kites spun, dove, and crashed into the grass. "Hey!" Ethan shouted. "You ruined it!" "You flew too close." Noah frowned. "It was the wind." "You pulled your line too hard. It's your fault." "No, it's yours." The boys stood there, red-faced and angry. For a moment, neither said a word. Then Ethan turned away. "I'm not flying with you again." Noah felt his throat tighten. He wanted to yell back, but instead he looked at the two broken kites lying side by side. The wind still blew softly around them, rustling the grass like a whisper. He remembered what his dad once told him. When a storm happens between people, don't fight the wind. Listen to it. Noah took a deep breath and walked over. "Ethan," he said quietly, "I don't want to fight. I think we both just got carried away. Let's fix them together." Ethan glanced at him. "Together?" "Yeah," Noah said. "If we both caused the tangle, maybe we can both untangle it." They sat down side by side, slowly pulling the strings apart. It took patience. The knots were tight. At one point, the wind tugged again, and the boys started laughing. When they finally freed the lines, both kites were a little torn but still flyable. Noah tore a strip from his old handkerchief and patched Ethan's dragon wing. Ethan tied a piece of red ribbon to Noah's tail. "Let's try again," Noah smiled. This time, they launched the kites together, side by side, moving in rhythm. The blue and red danced together in the air, weaving like friends holding hands. As the sun began to set, Ethan said, "Hey, I guess it wasn't really your fault." "And not yours," Noah smiled. "The wind just wanted us to learn something." "What's that?" "That two people can't fly high when they're pulling in different directions." The boys laughed, letting the kite soar higher until they disappeared into the golden sky. From that day on, everyone in Brookfield said the hill looked brighter whenever Noah and Ethan were there. Because sometimes the best friendships are patched with kindness. Our fairy tale has come to an end, but so many new wonders lie ahead. Subscribe so you don't miss the next story.